Buying a website is a lot like buying a new bakkie for your business. You wouldn't drive that bakkie for 2 to 3 years without ever changing the oil or checking the tire pressure. Eventually, it's going to break down on the side of the N1 when you're rushing to meet a customer. Most small business owners treat their website like a flyer they've just printed once. But in 2026, a static website doesn't just sit there, it slowly becomes invisible. If your website hasn't been touched since 2024, your customers can tell. And more importantly, Google can tell too. Let's talk about the first website pillar, security. In South Africa, we understand the need for a good alarm system. Your website is no different. Hackers look for vulnerabilities. They look for digital dust, old, outdated plugins, and antiquated code. An unmanaged site is like leaving your front door unlocked at night. The second website pillar is performance. Over time, broken links and unoptimized images and pages pile up. This slows your site down. If a local customer is trying to find your number on their phone and the page takes too long to load, they'll just call the next guy on the list. Let's look at content relevance. Imagine a customer finds you, sees your work, and then notices a price list or a special offer from 2 years ago. They immediately wonder, are you still in business? In a world of scams, a neglected website is a massive red flag for South African consumers. This leads to the hidden labor cost of doing it yourself. Most business owners try to fix the broken link on a Sunday night. You started your business to be an accountant, a plumber, not a web technician. Every hour you spend fighting your website, this is an hour you could have spent earning. This is why our managed service model exists. It's like hiring a garden service. You don't want to own the lawnmower and the shears, you just want a neat garden. Our system includes a website and dedicated ongoing maintenance. We handle the security, updates, and small changes you need to keep things fresh. We keep websites running perfectly without the high costs that come with custom agencies. If your current website feels like a black hole, it's probably because it's unmanaged and gathering dust. If that is the case, it's time to move to a system that works as hard as you do. But before I go, if this video interested you, explore our website packages and see how we can handle your website for you.